In this lecture, we discuss about internal resistance and terminal voltage. Here, I took a simple circuit in which a voltmeter is connected, okay, with a 4 ohm load, you can say resistance, with a 12 volt battery. So I said that calculate the current. All of you use Ohm's law. V is equal to IR, and then find current is equal to V by R is equal to 12 by 4 is equal to 3 ampere. Wow, it's very simple. Okay, but not. It is not true. Here, I say that experimentally the value of current is 2 ampere in this circuit. How? How the value of 2 ampere? That means in these circuits there are something present which reduce the value of current. Okay, that is internal resistance. Okay, that is internal resistance of a cell. Internal resistance is the obstruction. It is the obstruction. Obstruction means रुकावट. ओके, जो ऑफर्ड की जाती है. ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन, ऑफर्ड मीन्स देना, टू द फ्लो ऑफ करंट या पाथ ऑफ करंट ड्यू टू मटेरियल ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सेल. दैट मीन्स सी व्हाट आई. इंटरनल रेसिस्टेंस क्या होती है? एक ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन होती है. करंट को रोकने के लिए एक चीज है. ठीक है, ये एक रुकावट है जो करंट को मिलती है. किस कारण मिलती है? इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल का जो मटेरियल होता है उसके कारण. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ potential difference across the terminal of cell when current is drawn from the cell. Here see, current is drawn from the cell. Okay, current flow कर रहा है सर्किट में, तो जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मिलेगा सेल के टर्मिनल्स के अक्रॉस, उससे आप बोलेंगे टर्मिनल वोल्टेज. In earlier lecture, we talk about EMF. EMF is the potential difference when there is no current, and terminal is the potential difference across two terminal of a cell. किसके क्रॉस होता है ये? टर्मिनल्स ऑफ अ सेल के क्रॉस. ठीक है, जब करंट ड्रॉ कर रही है, एंड करंट ड्रॉ फ्रॉम द सेल. ओके, नाउ I give you a circuit. Here is circuit. Okay. Now this is the cell, or you can say a battery of voltage V. There are resistors of different values. I mentioned some points: B, C, A, D, E. Okay. In this circuit, at point A, voltage is present. Okay, between B and C, potential difference, and between D and E are EMF. Okay, at A voltage, between B and C There is potential difference because some current is flowing, and between D and E there is EMF. If you have any doubt regarding these terms, then you can ask me in comment section. Okay. Now here I told you a little bit point. EMF is equal to terminal voltage plus voltage ड्रॉप. वोल्टेज ड्रॉप जो इंटरनल रेसिस्टेंस के कारण आया है. ठीक है. thus E is equal to V plus IR. It is important. Here E is EMF, V is terminal voltage, okay, I is current, and R is internal resistance. Okay, internal